Banana peels are loaded with a lot of nutrients, such as vitamins A, B, C, and E, which contribute to healthy skin. It also contains zinc, iron, and potassium that can help fight acne inflammation and hydrate your skin. The peel will also fight off bacterial infections. It contains enzymes that hydrate skin, heal scars and blemishes. It is a natural exfoliant to remove toxins from pores. Banana peels are rich in antioxidants that fight the germs that cause acne. In this video we are talking about best 4 uses of banana peel for skin. So, before watching this video, click subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. At first, take a small piece of banana peel and rub it on the affected area for a few minutes until the inside of the peel turns brown. As it dries, your skin will absorb the vitamins and nutrients in the peel. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. This is one of the simplest ways to use a banana peel for the pimples treatment. Repeat the banana peel treatment daily for best results. First, take some fresh banana peel. Cut it into small pieces. Grind it and make thick paste. Add 1 egg yolk. Mix it well. Now apply it on your face and neck area for 5 minutes. Then wash off your skin with water. Do this 2 or 3 times in a week for best results. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water-binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. Take some banana peel paste. Add 1 tablespoon of curd. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix them well. Now apply it on your face for 20 minutes. After then wash off with normal water. Do this 2 or 3 times in a week. If you liked this video, please give it thumbs up and share with your friends and family. For more information and tips, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.